Adopted Science Academy students and staff. Hi, I am Akash coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, May 12, 2015. The weather in the village of Schaumburg is currently 48 degrees. We are expecting a high of 58 and a low of 39, with partly cloudy skies and wind. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Avantika,
Mahi,
Rylan, Madison.
I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Cubs beat the Mets 4-3, and the Brewers beat the Sox 10-7. Clubs beating today are the Garden Art Club for 5th and 6th graders in room 104 at 3 o'clock. The 4th grade patrol will be at lunchtime in room 208. Please bring your lunch. And tomorrow morning, the Rocketry Club will meet in room 210 at 7:45. Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that strawberries are not berries at all? Berries are fleshy fruits that come from a single seed on the inside, like a blueberry. Strawberries have many seeds on the outside of the fruit. That's all for today. This week's pre-broadcast pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by room 202. Have a totally tongue-twisting Tuesday.